Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use ChatGPT in Bing. So first of all, if you're an Android user, you can just install Bing from Play Store. Go to Play Store and in the top search bar, search for Bing. I've already installed it. Now I'm gonna open it for you. Now in the Bing app, you will see something like this. In the top there is a search bar. You can just click on the search bar and you can search for anything you want. After the searching, it will show you like this. Now this is the home page of the Bing app. You can click to news in the bottom second and the news section will be shown in front of you. There are many options in the news, just like scrolling from here. You can see top stories, you can see coronavirus, and there are different regions of news here, just like Africa, Asia, Europe, Middle East. You can also see news of lifestyle, sports, and finance. You can also use the mic to ask for anything. You can use ChatGPT 4 by clicking here. Now in the ChatGPT 4 section, you can search for anything, just like write a joke that a toddler would find hilarious. You can click on it and you have to wait for a little bit. And here you can see the results. You can go back from here and click the bottom fourth option, tabs, and you can see the tabs from here. And by clicking the last option, apps, you will see something like this. In the top, you can sign in to earn daily points. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. You can just go back, and in the exploring option here you can see there are a lot of things here, just like rewards, wallpapers, money, games, news, and so more. You can use any of these options. And here you can see also there is a history option. By clicking it, you can see your history. And there is a setting option here. In the setting option, there are so many things you can do. You can give a password, you can sign into your accounts, you can set some privacy, you can also delete your account. So guys, that's how you can use ChatGPT in Bing. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.